Hello, welcome to Code is Coding. Today we are going to know about the match match statement in Python. So the name itself tells matching. This suppose I have taken one object. This one go on such number of condition whether it's a matching or not. Suppose it will go for first condition, it will check this one is not matching for this one, so it will be moved to next statement, and then such this one and this object and this object is not matching, so it will be jump into another statement. Then finally this statement, this object or this element matching with same element, then it will go and execute. That is a match statement. So why we use in Python this match statement? This match statement perform different actions in different conditions. So instead of writing the if-else statement, we can use the match statement. Now we will see with practically. So day equal to 3, I have taken day equal to 3, then match day, then case 1 print, I have to take like a better to weekdays, Sunday, and then I copy and paste how many I want. So I will paste and again. So there is no need to be the values are same, let it be. So we need for case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 and case 5 and case 6, case 7. These values must be, the next values 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. But the values, instead of writing the printer, writing double quotation, those values are same also, not a problem. Then we are going to change. If it's a weekdays, I have to consider here what I have to give here is Thursday, then have to give here Friday, and Sunday, so let it be, then Saturday. So the values, don't mind that one. Now we will see in switch statement, it's just like a switch statement. So there is a default purpose we are using, default we are going to use there, but here if it other than options we have to proceed, then it will be say that case underscore colon. So print we have to pass the message which is understand to us. Please choose the correct option. Then I have to do arrange the values, case 1, case 2 and case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6, then what to do, then here case 7. Okay, so then I am thinking this one also we need, right? Then case, so here I am getting the error. I have to here use the case underscore, not minus symbol, then run the code. So if it is a 2, if it is 3, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so it will appear the output Tuesday, correct only. Then if I need to change day 4, that means day 4 what happens, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. So 4 means it will match the Thursday. If I give other than this option, then what I get the value. So if I have to give to 10, then run the code, you will get, please choose the correct option. So if you like this video, please like and share. Thank you so much for your time.